Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use taxi service in booking.com. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you have to look for the taxi option right there and you have to tap on it. And you have to enter the pickup location and after enter the destination. Right there, and you have to tell them when do you want this service, like this, and after you have to tap on see prices button. No taxis are available right now, and that's how it went. I hope you like this and it helped you. If it was helpful, please consider to subscribing. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.